Hi everyone, my name is Walid and I'm the co-founder of Mr. and Mrs. Vintage Typewriters. In this video we're gonna demonstrate to you how to use an Olivetti Lettera 32. Please subscribe to our channel and press on the notification button to be notified of any new videos. This tutorial also works on Olivetti Valentine, Dora, Oxford S, Olivetti-Underwood, Underwood 315, Underwood 310 and the Reader's Digest. Now let's get started. To unlock the carriage of an Olivetti Lettera 32, you need to use the lever on the right side between the right knob and the lid and pull it up, and this will unlock the carriage as you can see. Then you need to raise the line spacing lever on the left side, this way. One of the most important levers on the typewriter is the carriage release lever. The Olivetti Lettera 32 has one on the left side and one on the right side. To use the lever, always support the carriage with your left hand, and you can press here on the lever and it will release the carriage. Same applies to the left side lever. You just hold it with the right knob and you can release it by pressing it. Now we need to adjust the margins on the Lettera 32. To adjust the margin stoppers, we use this right stopper and this is the left margin stopper. To adjust it, you need to press it down and widen it, or you can narrow it on the left side the same. Press down, you widen, or you narrow. I usually put it on number 10 and the number 90. The right margin is responsible for your bell. If you try to move the right margin towards the right margin, your bell will ding at the end of the line. To adjust the line spacing or the amount of spaces between each line, use the lever here on the left side. It's called the line spacing selector lever. You can use 0 to release the platen. You can use 1 for one line space, 2 or 3 line spaces. With the left knob you can press on the left knob and this will free the platen without the usage of the line spacing indicators on the left side. On the back of the carriage there's a paper support. You press on the left side and it will raise. This will help your paper be straight in front of you while typing. Now we need to insert the paper into the Lettera 32. We use the paper release lever on the right side. We ungrip it. We get a proper paper and we insert it. Then we grip the paper and with the right knob we pull the paper up slightly. Then with this paper holder we raise it, put the paper underneath and close it. To adjust the position of the paper, we ungrip the paper release lever towards us. Then we hold it. You can move it left and right. We adjust it. Now it's aligned, and then we grip it back. And then we roll the paper down to the position we need to start typing and move the carriage to the right side to know where to start our typing. Now I'm going to show you how to reverse your ribbon. I'll be removing the lid. To reverse the ribbon, you can use the 2-pin lever on the top of the spools. You move it right or left, and same applies on the left side. You can use the 2-pin lever here to move it right or left. This will shift the mechanism of the spool from left to right or right to left. Another option we should mention is the tension control. It's on the left side. You can increase the tension and decrease the tension. Now we move to the keyboard section. The keyboard section starts with the color selector on the right side. It has 3 options: the black, stencils, or the second color, usually red. The keyboard also has a backspace option. When you press the backspace, the carriage will move to the right side, so you correct what you have mistyped. On the right side, there is a red key. This is the tabulator key. When you press it, the carriage will move to the left side where the tabulation stoppers are set. To set the tabulation stopper, you press it up. Cancel the tabulation stopper, you press it down, and it will release the carriage and will move forward without stopping. The blank key on the left side, it's the margin release. Some typewriters have an MR on its top or margin. As you reach the end of your line and you need to type 1 or 2 letters extra, without having a new line space, you just press on the margin release and you can still type whatever you want after the margins. Same applies to the left side. If you want to type beyond your left margin, you press on the margin release and you can move the carriage to the far right side and type on the far left side. The keyboard has 2 shift keys, one on the right side and one on the left side. They help you to use your capitals while typing. Whenever you want to type the capital letter, you just press the shift key and press the key and it will type the capital letter. On the left side, there's a blank key above the left shift key. It's called the shift lock key. You press it and you can continuously type using capital letters without any need of pressing any shift key. To release the shift lock, you simply press on the left shift key and it will release it. After you finish typing, you need to lock your carriage. To lock your carriage, simply push the lever on the right side down, and with the carriage release lever, just move it in a way that it will be locked. So now your carriage is locked. On the left side, don't forget to fold the line spacing lever to its original position, and now you can place it inside your carrying case. Thank you for watching the video. Please let us know in the comments below which typewriter you want us to demonstrate next.